Oh, yes. I remember.
Well, sir, I have an entry this year, and I was wondering if you could show me a few pointers on my keys.
Right. Well, I don't have the, endorse like those things. I mean, I'm just a person, in the community that, the people respect. So they ask me to judge. So I don't really know much, about them arch thinking,
Sir, but you do have a taste for nice things, right?
Well, yes, I mean, doesn't everybody?
We'll see.
Okay.
So, are you going to help me?
What are you doing? Singing?
No, sir, dancing.
Oh, dancer.
No, sir, it's soca.
That's different.
Why is that, sir?
Well, I mean, most girls, they tend. And I mean, normally, most girls, they tend to lean towards the dancehall trend, especially on Andrew's lane,
Well, sir, I am different, and I'm not like all the other young girls on Andrew's lane.
So I'm beginning to realize.
Are you going to help me?
All right. One. I saw one.
Sir, do you have a CD player?
Over there. But then again, I'm not much of a smoker fan,
So what are you, a fan of dancehall?
Well, I know some dancehall songs, but my thing is reggaeton music,
Reggaeton?
Yeah, but you're too young to know them,
Okay.
Oh, okay. So let me see the piece. if I was judging, you know.
Oh, sir, you like it then, sir?
Love it.
Sir, at least you can say that I learned something.
Yes, I actually did.
You can teach that to your wife, no?
Oh, no, she's not into that type of thing.
That's nice.
Yeah, I guess.
Sir, what kind of music you like?
Any train that could not steal my honey. I'm very smart, you know.
Sir, can I ask you one more thing?
What?
Teach me how to rent a tile.
There's nothing really to teach. I mean, the music plays, you know, and you are part of, you know, you're sewing clothes in one spot while the music plays.
Interesting.
Yes, that's yeah.
Show me.
Nice. No, easy, you know.
I told you I was different. Please. Please.
All right. younger than my son.
But better than your wife.
I can't.
Alvin. I can be real good to you. Just be good to me. And I promise I'll make all your dreams come true.
You're just a little girl.
And as mad as you think you are, you can't manage all of and I was just starting to enjoy the music. Alvin, you ready to bone your wife?
My phone must cost $5,000.
Yeah, cause you are a banger. You must put everything in a road again.
Like a little too expensive than now.
I saw a man who have little and young girl and I don't want to pay her.
I think you're still different.
You're very different. Me, I just only young girl and get your eye and you. Or is this a regular thing you just sleep with the underage girl?
No matter. This is a first and this should never have happened.
What is that dog?
You even know. Yeah.
Simple. Wife in a letter. Me a act. Young, fresh thing. Easy slip. And after 4 months, it's safe to say you love me.
So love coming to this.
When they love something. You just get me the food.
That's going to be hard.
Oh, Wednesday till I drink here. Friday morning, Thursday, I'm back.
Alright.
Never take the bus.
Man, my girl can't take the bus.
I'm not sure who never take the bus. Plus, I have to get back to the old field before wifey. Suspicious.
Alright. Be careful. We'll see you later.
Okay.
Stop it! What did you expect me to do? I ever seen you man now. I had no choice. Patience. Look here. You're doing well. Don't go back there, so. It's fine. Hello, young miss.
Hello, Grandma.
School done already?
Yes, Grandma.
Don't lie to me. The teacher called me in today and let me know she hasn't seen you in months. Where you been?
Not no, Grandma.
You can't make her brutalizing you. I said, where you been? What?
By Alvin.
Alvin James?
Yes, Grandma, Alvin James.
What? Is your man now?
Not the man, but my baby father. That's what I just said.
This was not the deal.
Then what was the deal?
Hold on, look if you want what's there in school. No, look how you just throw away your life.
See, Grandma, I am taking care of my family.
Did you run it out now?
Well, I have been for the last 4 months. And because of me, we get free food from the wholesale. Thanks to the good. Years of hard
Right. What else are ready to be way up at you? Way up at you.
Yes, but pay.
So that I let me know that you're around the house. Very well. Your mother doing very well on the medicine. Take it. Come on, more.
Not until after I get like 4. 4.
Your mother is sick. And all you care about is a food.
Well, after all the work that I have been putting into this, I deserve something. And I want a 4.
Go ahead. Selfish. It is all about you. I told you you were too young to handle this.
I know, Grandma. You were way too old to handle any of this. You see, I don't know. School thing done! Grandma,
Good.
and if you don't like it, go to work. Mama, now listen, Mom. Everything will be alright. Grandma, go get some rest.